The 2019 Samsung QLED 4K 8K TVs are coming soon, and we'll have one for review. What is going on, guys? Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and I am out in New Jersey visiting Samsung's Q&A labs and just got back to the hotel. Figured I'd do a quick little video. I did allude that I was traveling this week, and this is where I am at. We had a meeting with Samsung just to go over the 2019 QLED 4K 8K lineup of televisions, and we are going to get a Q90 4K 65-inch for review. We'll have an unboxing of that as soon as I get that in, and we'll make sure that we get that unboxed and get that video up as quick as possible. Samsung brought us out here just to kind of give us an overview of their roadmap for 2019 and what they're trying to accomplish. They are trying to simplify their nomenclature, so we'll go over all that in another video, and we'll cover that during the unboxing. They've changed some of the names of some of the features that they actually have on the sets, but what they're really trying to push is more focus toward bigger screens. They're saying consumers are wanting bigger and bigger screens, 65 plus size screens. The consumer surveys show that customers are wanting bigger screens. So they're also moving to 8K. Of course, there's not much 8K content out there, if any, but they are using AI to upscale 4K, 720p, and 1080p to 8K. So there's a lot of questions surrounding why are we doing 8K. We're going to get more into that some other time, some other video. I'm just doing a quick short video, let you guys know what I'm doing out here in Jersey, and what to look forward to in the next couple weeks once we get that the set in. We plan on getting that review up, and we usually try to do at least a month or two of testing of the television, and then we'll get the full review out. But we'll definitely have an unboxing and a quick feature setup and a feature overview of the television once we get it in. So some of the key features that are coming to the new 2019 lineup, of course, is Apple TV. Samsung announced its CES iTunes integration, and now with Apple's new announcement, it's now just Apple TV. So Apple TV will be in Samsung's televisions. So you'll be able to use AirPlay 2, so you can stream from your iPhone, not only just your Android phone, but from your iPhone as well. And that'll be a welcome addition for a lot of people. And of course, the 2019 lineup has Google Assistant and Alexa integrated, as well as Bixby. Google Assistant and Alexa are not as integrated as Bixby, so they're limited. You won't be able to call up your calendar. You won't be able to call up recipes. You won't be able to call up Google Search. So it's a limited use of Google Assistant, but it is there to help control your smart home. So we're going to get into all this in some other video. I just want to let you guys know that keep an eye out on the YouTube channel here and on the website for full review of the Q90 65-inch Samsung QLED TV for 2019. So that's it for today. I just want to do a quick video, and thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video below, and we'll talk to you guys on the other side.